Hello, good evening. Today's training, I'll be using the command prompt to check the physical memory slots that you have on your notebook. So basically, what you need to do is that you need to key in the command cmd and then run as administrator. Click yes, and then with the administrator command prompt appears out, key in this function WMIC mem physical get memory devices. Press enter. So basically you can see that in your notebook T14 there are two memory slots on your notebook that you can place your memory on it. I hope that this information is helpful, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your time.